How does an AI find the best answer when there are millions of possibilities? It walks downhill, one small step at a time, until it reaches the lowest point. Imagine you are standing on a huge mountain covered in fog. You cannot see the bottom, and you want to reach the lowest valley. All you can feel is the slope under your feet. This mountain is the error landscape. Every point is a different level of wrongness. The lowest valley represents the best possible answer, the fewest mistakes. The top represents terrible answers, lots of mistakes. The AI starts at a random spot on the mountain, and needs to find the valley. You cannot see the valley, but you can feel which direction is downhill. You take a small step that way. Feel the slope again, then take another small step. Step by step, you descend. This is exactly how gradient descent works. The gradient is just the slope. It tells you which direction is downhill and how steep it is. If the ground tilts sharply to the left, you step left. If it tilts gently forward, you step forward. The AI does this at every single point. The size of each step matters. If you take giant leaps, you might overshoot the valley and land on the other side. If you take tiny steps, it takes forever. The AI picks a careful step size, small enough to be steady, big enough to make progress. The path down the mountain never goes in a straight line. It zigzags because the slope keeps changing as you move. Sometimes you walk sideways before the ground tilts downhill again. Sometimes you reach a small dip and think you are at the bottom, but there is a deeper valley nearby. These small dips are called local minima. The AI can get stuck there and needs tricks to escape. Imagine hiking with friends. You all check different spots and agree on the best direction to go. Some friends also build up momentum. Once they are walking left, they keep going left even if the slope changes. Both tricks help the AI escape small dips. After thousands of small steps, you finally reach the bottom. The slope becomes flat. There is no more downhill direction. You have found the lowest error point. The AI has found its best answer. Gradient descent is how every modern AI model improves. Whether it is learning to recognize faces, translate languages, or write poems, the model is always walking downhill on its error landscape. Gradient descent is walking downhill on a mountain of errors. You feel the slope, take a small step in the downhill direction, and repeat. After thousands of steps, you reach the valley, the best answer the AI can find.